did put in one more order, and the mailman didn't want to deliver it. What else is new? I told you that I had gotten just a few more things. So I got the bag. It's big enough to fit everything, but it's not big enough to close or zipper. I got their other 5-piece face palette, but the only thing I really wanted was the highlighter and this glitter. Highlighter right broken too. So the only reason why I got it is because I put for the updates, you get texts, and the text told me insufficient address. At first I thought he was lying because they're supposed to go via PayPal, and my apartment number is on their on the website where it says addresses. When you order from these places, from online companies, it usually has an address saved. And obviously my apartment number is going to be on there. And I called them up within 15 minutes. I was so busy going crazy last week. I had about 10 things to do that day. A last minute important appointment for my daughter, picking up meds. I go to like 2 different places to pick up meds. So oh my goodness, I was so stressed out. And I had an appointment. So I got a text because I knew I wouldn't be home. And it said, insufficient address will be returned to sender. I'm like, are you crazy? It's $20 to ship from Australia. So I called up, and thank God somebody answered from the post office. So before the mailman left, they grabbed the package and said, it doesn't have your apartment number. At first I thought they were lying. So I said, well, this is my apartment number, and I give you permission to put it in the lockers or to bring it to the office. But I will not be home today. So the mailman hadn't left yet, and that's what they did. They put it in by hand and then told him to go ahead and deliver it. And at first it says he left it in the office, and then about an hour later I received a code for the lockers. So I'm telling you, these guys drive me nuts. So they do give you the option of sending you another one or giving you a refund. So I emailed them on Friday when I got back, or over the weekend, and said, please just give me a refund because my mailman doesn't want to deliver anything, that comes from another country. I think it's because he needs a signature, but it drives me nuts. But I got that, so yeah. So anyway, I'm going to do my best. It's Mother's Day this weekend, so I don't think I'll be doing my hair this weekend, but I am going to do my best to just do the pastel. I have the rainbow that you saw me before. I'm going to mix it with a lot of conditioner to make it really light and pastel-y, and then leave it in my hair all day, and hopefully it will take. And because of this blue that just does not want to come out, I'm going to have to put the blue, purple, and green in the back, and then put the yellow. I'm going to start with yellow, orange, red, as I'm going to try to do, and then do the it's got to be purple, blue, and then green. So let's see. But I'm not sure. I have been working on home projects, and I have been knocking it out very slowly, but I would like to finish this home project this week. I cleaned out my kids' files, and then I got to clean out. Now I got to finish. I started my files, and I still haven't finished it. And it's been months. I usually do it in January, and just everything's taking me 2 to 3 times as long because of the hand injury. So yeah. So I probably next week I'll still have this. Like I said, I'm still not sure I'm gonna tone or do the pastels, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna do the pastels. Okay, so yeah, so hopefully I'll see you next week. I just found out I got a busy week. I have appointment every single day next week, so So hopefully I will do it next week, like in the morning, and I have an afternoon appointment. So yeah. So see you all next week. Mwah.